Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernardo from the BJ Tech News. So today's video review is all about CX.com. So what is CX.com? This little application or this cloud service was introduced to me today by email, and someone wanted me to check it out. So I checked it out. 3 words for this. This is Dropbox in steroids. And what do I mean? It has a lot of cool features that Dropbox doesn't have. And one of the things that I got really excited about it is, one, it's free, plus they give you 10 gigs for free. Now, if you're using it for a business purpose, most likely, you know, they have different plans. I will post a link at the bottom of the description of the video. But again, for the business plans, if you're dealing with 5 users, 15 users, 30 users, each of them have about a terabyte of storage. But I mean, the prices are pretty good so far. I think they're a little better than Dropbox in prices. For myself, at my company, we have Dropbox Team, and if I knew about CX.com, I'd have went with these guys. Now, if you're dealing with personal is pretty good. 175 gigs, $24 a month is not that bad. Now, for the 10 gigs free, with 2 groups and 2 users per group, with a 200 megabytes group size limit, I say it again, 200 megabytes group size limit, which means you can actually share a folder with other people, and that folder is set to 200 megabytes, and that's it, which is pretty cool. So I'm also, once you're at the plans, I'm also put this at the bottom of the description so you guys can check it out. And again, click on that free starter plan and fill the information out. Get yourself a username, put your email, put a password, sign up. You're good to go. Now, I already signed up, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when you're signed up to the thing. Let me see if I remember my password. And there we go. Don't want to remember my password. Now, the interface is really funky. I mean, like, it's up to date. It's pretty nice. I love the way that everything works. Not everything is not hidden. It's like right on your face. It's like, you know, this is all the stuff that I uploaded because I was just testing it out for the first time. The dashboard just gives you a rundown of what you shared with people, who commented on your files, or what you uploaded and where you uploaded, which is awesome. The My Stuff is actually your container. This is where you create your folders. This is where you start dropping your stuff. You might ask yourself, is there an application for this? There is an application, which I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it. So within groups, this is where it gets kind of tricky and more advanced, which is pretty cool. You can actually create a group and invite people to your group and also share stuff within that group, which is pretty awesome. Your sharing section right here, this is a test right here. I was sharing out a folder. It's pretty easy. You're able to stop it on the fly. One thing that I love about this service is that, as you can see, within the files, I'm able to email it, Facebook it, Twitter on the spot, which is awesome. At the drop down, it gives you 4 little options. You can share it, move it, rename it, delete it. You know, the sharing portion, it opens it up and allows you to share with someone that you want. Most likely you got an email, you share it out. It's like basically a public link, which is awesome. I'm basically saying awesome a lot because I'm pretty excited about the program because it's free. Who doesn't love free stuff? Now, within settings, this is where you get all your genuine information. It gives you a rundown how much space you've used so far. This is your notification section, which you're able to modify and customize it the way you want it. You're able to customize your comments. You're also able to customize your group file change. Now, the app portion. Now, the app portion is pretty cool. Every time you install an application, you log into your account, you could basically give a name, Like I have a Windows 8 VM virtual machine. That's what VM stands for. And I installed the app because I was testing it out, and again, good things about it. Also, if I go into cx.com, and downloading it is pretty easy. You have the installation files. It works for Mac, it works for the PC, Windows, it works for the iPad, iPhone, iTouch, Android devices. They basically have every application needed for all the platform, as you can see. I'll also post this link at the bottom of the description. You know, got Windows, Mac, iPad, iPhones, Androids, and Kindle Fire, which is pretty cool. So back to the site. Other than that, that's about it with the site. There's not too much about the site. So let's get into installation. So once you download your file, you're gonna get it. You can save it wherever you want it, on the desktop, download photo wherever you want. This is basically the file right here, as you can see. That's the file. And double click on it. Once you double click, you get this little welcome to the CX setup. Hit the install, wait, and then you get this. Now, there's two ways to actually sign up for cx.com. You can either go to the website like I did, or you can download the app and install it, and when you get to this portion, you can basically go right here and sign up for free. If you did my version, the way I did it, I went online, signed up. All you gotta do is just put your username and your password and just log in. Once you log in, this is the portion that I was telling you guys, that you're able to identify the machine that you're installing the app, so you can keep track of who has your app. Once you do that, you fill that information in, hit next, and you get to this. Now, this is pretty cool. By default, CX creates a CX Syncs folder and actually puts it on your desktop. Not like Dropbox. Dropbox actually creates a shortcut, but actually physically puts the files into your My Documents folder. CX Sync actually puts it on your desktop, but you're also able to change the name of the sync folder, which is pretty awesome, and you're able to create multiple folders to sync to, which is cool. Once you do that, you hit next, and that's it. You successfully set it up with no problem. You hit finish. Once you hit finish, it's gonna load up. You get a nice little prompt indicating that CX, congratulations, CX has successfully configured, and you're good to go. Your web browser is gonna start up, and it's gonna go to the cx.com login page, so you can log in, but you don't really need to do that. And that's about it. So I'm gonna show you how the app it is. I'm gonna start my virtual machine. This is my virtual machine. This is my CX, and this is my BJ test that I created. And I created a hello.txt. This is the little app that starts up automatically. When you right click on it, it gives you how many items will sync, who's logged in. You can actually stop the sync. You can open the CX Syncs folder, launch the CX website. You can also refer a friend, support. From my understanding, the support is pretty great on troubleshooting issues, so that's pretty cool. The preferences, you only get 3 tabs. You got general, sync folders. It basically gives you a rundown of all the folders, even the groups, and your account. You can even do show logs. So basically the show logs is what you give your support people when you're having issues, which is pretty cool. So it's just like a Dropbox, but I mean it's a lot better. So like I'm gonna create text, and YouTube video review, and that's it. That's about it. So if I go back into, most likely sometimes what it does, I should get a notification right here on the side saying, there it goes, that something has been synced. If I go into the home page, I go to, actually I'm going to go to my dash and show you something. If you go to the dash, most likely is going to give you an update, which is pretty cool, because that's the first thing that you will see when you log into your cx.com login. But you go into my stuff, go inside the folder, and it's there. I mean, I love the service. I'm gonna start using it a little bit more because I have a lot of stuff that I have to always carry with my my video stuff. But the 10 gigs is great. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Also, check it out. I'm putting all this information at the description. Please sign up. Please support cx.com. They're a great company. They've recently just started. They're great competitors from for Dropbox. I mean, probably they're gonna blow away Dropbox pretty soon. I mean, they're great. Again, I'm putting all the information at the description part. Please check that out, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.